This machine wraps tires in protective plastic for safe and secure shipping, ensuring they stay protected and ready for transport. This robot, designed like a military tank, uses a powerful water jet to quickly clean tough dust and dirt. This automated car wash system cleans the vehicle completely on its own, with no need for human involvement. In car factories, vehicles are dipped in a rust-proof coating to add a protective layer. Large cable wires are carefully cut open with a precise machine to recover and recycle the copper inside. In log processing, a factory machine with multiple blades removes the bark quickly and efficiently. A heavy tractor attachment breaks apart the old asphalt, getting the road ready for fresh paving. Special vacuum machines pull up dandelions quickly, making the harvesting process much easier. An excavator with a cutting attachment cleanly slices through palm trees, making the job faster and easier. See how quickly and smoothly the train track switching system operates. This bricklaying system neatly arranges and lays walkway bricks with very little human involvement. A precision cutter cleanly slices aluminum sheets, which then move along a conveyor to be stacked and prepared for shipping, keeping the whole process smooth and efficient. A smart new solution designed to reduce traffic jams during busy peak hours. This tractor attachment clears weeds around trees, making the maintenance work faster and more efficient. A high-speed bread slicer cuts each loaf quickly and evenly, making the whole process smooth and precise. A powerful machine cuts a wooden log into 5 pieces in one pass, saving time and effort while preparing the wood for different uses. This shredder breaks almost anything into palm-sized pieces, making recycling much easier, though it does look a little scary. With 10 flexible hoses, this tunnel cleaning machine reaches every corner to give the area a thorough clean. Never underestimate the power of water. A high-pressure jet cuts through metal with ease, almost like slicing through butter. Trimming and thinning trees removes extra fruit and helps prevent fungus, leading to healthier growth and better air circulation. Enjoy the smooth precision of tapping red copper using a well-designed jig. Watch how this machine slices through a solid block of aluminum with ease. This machine uses a rotating mesh to sift the soil and collect earthworms efficiently. When excavator operators get bored, they sometimes use their machines like giant toys, playing fun games like this. Metal cutters are strong, right? But watch this. A high-pressure water jet slices through solid steel with zero effort. In snowy areas, when heavy snow blocks the roads, these trucks with special attachments clear the path, and their smooth back-to-back coordination is impressive to watch. A robotic machine washes dusty solar panels, helping them absorb more energy and perform at their best. This robotic arm grabs a sugar packet, opens it, and pours the sugar into the mixing jar. Automatic bollards rise from the ground within seconds, quickly blocking off restricted areas.